You let him eat you out and you didn't shower or anything because you did it on purpose to punish him for lying.
Welcome, burritos, to the Wednesday social media countdown. Yeah, ready. Don't mess me up. This feeling. Come on, burritos, stop up the live. All right, like, share, and comment, subscribe. Watch ya. I feel that. All right, that's it. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to the Wednesday edition of the social media countdown. As you might have heard, I am celebrating my 10th year anniversary, 10 box cover years of the social media countdown from 2014 to now. And I recently celebrated my birthday. Thanks for all of the birthday wishes, the messages. I had a really good birthday, and I feel very invigorated, me feel renewed, me feel refreshed, and all of the rewards them I am feeling. And so in the last social media countdown, I saw a comment, and I'm going to address it here publicly before we even jump into the festivities of the countdown. Somebody left a comment and said, why is it that it look like said Berry glasses always lean upon him face? And I've gotten this comment before, and let me just tell you this, that's my band. My band had a birth defect where my ears come like a seesaw, so it's like it kind of lopsided. I do not know what happened when my father and my mother did not get into the groove, but it looked like so somebody did spin around some part, and so my ears one higher than the other one. So you see when I put on my glasses, one go up so and the other one. So if I want to balance it out, I have to take one of the glasses angle and put underneath my ears, so it look like it can depend on some sort of equilibrium. Okay? So, when you just allow me alone and my little birth disability, let me live, okay? So if you see one of the glasses then look so sometime, I know me deliberately I do it. I'm my ears, I just saw me ban, okay, burritos? But anyway, let's get into this week's countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 3, TC Flea. Me foot bottom. Okay, burritos know. So dancer, Instagram model, fashionista, hostess, all of these things. TC posted a video where she was, abroad, look like she abroad to enjoy herself, and she decided to do some local shopping, a real hot girl dolly setting zine. And so while there at, I think it was Foot Locker, correct me if I'm wrong, she, decided to approach the people that were there and try on a particular sneaker when this unfolded. Take a look.
You like it?
That's good, it's good.
boy, said this could have really turned out bad because, Jamaican always, once we go over there, we always end up and make news for all kind of wrongdoings. Big up Triple X, anyway, him there. But, the little thieving thing in Jamaican, it is very much kind of a stereotype. So I'm glad that TC should have circled back, bust a little 360 and went back to where she started off from. But what was funny is that one of the workers them never give two shits. The man never moved in, turn up there like the Statue of Emancipation Park. He was there not moving in the business. Them not paying him enough to run after nobody. But the other worker that was there, this brother right there, no, me don't know him look like I must see him as the supervisor. He swung into action. And yeah, I just didn't like it because I've seen a couple other influencers do this particular trick. It's like a prank, and I laugh at it every single time. So burritos, let me know. Would you attempt something like this in the United States of America? Sound off below. Number 2, story time saga. Me mix up. All right, now, so this story is giving all sorts of Ressa Tessa excitement. Like, honestly, this story gonna be lengthy, so just sit back, relax, cock up your foot wherever you are, call your neighbor, call your friend, call your matey, and just enjoy this bit of conversation. Go watch.
All right, put a finger down challenge. Put a finger down if you met this boy and you fell head over heels in love and you thought you met the one, and then you were on TikTok one day and then this girl messaged you and she was like, she sent you this long paragraph telling you how she's 8 months pregnant for your boyfriend and he met her and she doesn't know his name and she sent you his number and a picture of him and all of that. And then as if that wasn't bad enough, then you found out he had a 10-year-old child that he didn't tell you about because when you met him, he told you only had 2 kids. And then as if that wasn't bad enough, you cloned his WhatsApp and then you found out that he was married. He's been married for 10 years and his wife is also 8 months pregnant. And on top of that, he's Muslim and he lied and told you he was a Christian. And then he was at your house and you confronted him and you put him out. He got an Airbnb because he doesn't live in the same country. And after he went to the Airbnb, you linked up with your ex and you went to your ex's house and you slept with your ex and your ex ejaculated inside you, and then your boyfriend messaged you and you guys made up and you decided to go back home and let him come back. And then you went back home and you had sex with him and you let him eat you out and you didn't shower or anything because you did it on purpose to punish him for lying about being married and having all these kids on the way. And you don't feel bad about it at all. And you also told him what you did and he said he has to kill you. He threatened to kill you, that he must kill you. Put a finger down.
Oh wow. You know what? We need some water. Jesus, people. I don't even know where to begin with this story. Sometime and every story time I need for do. Like sometime when I have like something called shame. Because I appreciate it, because, we love the little mix up, we like to find out about people's life and them like something there. But boy, I don't know, not all if somebody they put a gun to my head and I give me like $2 million after that, me never there go take it. Like to do a story time like this, that for us say she did there with the man, then she find out say the man have baby mother, the man have all kind of things, the man have this on the side, and she go sneak out now, go give somebody a piece, make the man go eat her out and all kind of things, the boyfriend go get jealous. It's too much. It's too much, but it boils down to who the backfoot did this lady deal with? Who did she really deal with? And I believe that I will want to go through some stories like this. May I ask you, if you take up any random woman off of the road like this, they have a story right there in them bag that could have been an award-winning novel, story time, book, and all of these things. So may I ask you now, do you have any story time that could have compete with this? Write it out in the comments down below. Okay, come on to fast. Thank you. And number 1 goes to Ishawna in red. Woo! 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 Oh Lord, I'm tired. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Ishawna in red. So, readers, if you did live under a rock, you might never did see when Ishawna, Miss Equal Rights herself, posted a series of pictures in this fiery red number that left very little to the imagination. Just take a look at the pictures, okay? And when she posted it, my girl knew that she was so hot. My girl knew that her body was so banging and blazing that she never need no caption. Look at the picture then. Oh yes, man, Ishawna, shell. But it seems as if people online weren't really too pleased with Ishawna's antics. And so they were just like, why she pose up herself like that? Isn't she a mother? She need to carry herself more modestly, etc., etc. But you know, Ishawna Miss Equal Right, she was not going to just sit down there and make the people them tongue just... Ishawna wasn't going to sit down there and make the people them say all kind of things about her. She decided to fire back at her critics. And let me just hear what she said. So Ishawna has posted on her story. One thing them gonna do, them gonna text upon me. Me never know say me sing with Grace Trillers. Laughing emoji. And then she went on. And I give her F about her opinions. Come near me down like chichi. Then she continued. To the people mad at me for wearing a bathing suit and cover up, I was performing at a beach event. What was I to wear? Wanna come labba juice me? Oh, okay, that concluded the reading of the book of Ishawna. So, Berridos, let me know, do you feel as if Ishawna was doing too much? That you should have dialed it down, that you should have reel it in, that you should have covered up her middle section and not make us see all of the intersection of her Venn diagram? Why did we need to be into her subset? Are you of that view? Or you feel that, you know, Ishawna free for do what she want to do because, you know, the dollar gonna just live and the girl act and her body chiseled down so the girl have to just show the things the man just make her just eat the ice cream. Well, if you don't choose to eat ice cream, you know, if you guys choose to eat ice cream, then eat ice cream. If you guys choose to engage in bag juice, and engage in bag juice and Pepsi, like we do in 2024, living a life, cost of living high, and people are out here hungry. So if you want to eat, you eat. To each his own. Just make sure you leave some for your friends and your family, okay? All right, that's it. Well, that's it for number one. Just let me know your thoughts. All right. All right, now, so I'm going to throw to the random video of the week. And then I will have a special interview with the chef at Beeman's new restaurant, the Sim Simmer Seafood Lounge. You don't want to miss this after this.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
All right, so I'm here at the Simmer Seafood and Lounge with the top chef himself by the name of Chef Beans. Did I get the name correctly?
Yes, Chef Beans.
Chef Beans, okay. So how long has this spot been here now? Like, and you've been working here? Recent, right?
Yeah, most recently. Simmer has been open about 3 weeks and some days now. Yeah. And we're doing extremely well.
So for like hungry people like me now, what exactly is on the menu? Like what we can expect? So if I come here with some of my friends, them, what's the menu looking like?
Well, at Simmer Seafood Lounge, we have the regular Jamaican menu, which is curry goat,
yes,
fried chicken,
nice,
jerk chicken.
Ooh.
We also have oxtail for
yes,
oxtail lovers. And then now in the evening, we have what we call seafood. So you have, you know, your fried fish,
yes,
your steamed fish, your roast fish.
Yes.
And we also do seafood platters.
Ooh.
So here at Simmer Seafood and Lounge, we offer a lot of different things in regards to seafood. Yeah. So most of the times on the menu, you'll notice that we have king crabs, we have sea crabs, prawns.
I should have the interview here now before me eating the food, you know. I should have the interview because I know, man, the hungry is ripe within. Yeah. So what has been the favorite with the customers them, like, I tell you, so them really like?
All right, so based on what I've seen so far, the customers really enjoy the coconut curry shrimp and the steamed fish.
Oh, okay, the coconut curry shrimp.
Yes.
So that's something where you tell me, say next time I come here, I have to try.
Definitely.
Okay.
And we also noticed that the garlic shrimp as well, the garlic butter shrimp, that's selling extremely well as well. And on top of that, the favorite fried chicken. Fried fish.
Okay, the fried fish. Okay. Yes. So now, were you a fan of meat before being here? Is it an extra incentive to know, say you're working at an establishment that is set up by the king of the dancehall?
Most definitely. Yeah. Before this even built up, I used to just be on the block and chill with the man, sit with him, talk to him, hear all the stories and all that. And it was an amazing experience just being around him, you know. And then he had the idea to come up with the restaurant, and have you heard of the saying, right time?
Right place, right time.
Right
Yeah.
Correct.
So it's an organic synergy that came together.
Yes, because I'm certified by heart. I'm a level 3 chef de partie, and I did a accelerated course. So that means I did level 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, at heart.
Right.
Whoa. No, honestly, them stories that I like to see, that's why I keep on and say, there's somebody who said something and say like, you have to go out and realize your dreams because other people's success and other people's journey is tied to that dream. So even if you never launch out with this, you wouldn't necessarily be here, right? So
most definitely.
I just saw the world go right now. So better ask you this night, do you have a top favorite Beenie Man song?
My favorite right now is Simmer.
All right, okay.
Just
no man.
Simmer, that's my favorite right there.
You see that? Look at the restaurant. You see the restaurant name. No man, I need to go double up your pay now just for that answer alone. Cause you know PR. Me I tell you that's an intelligent answer right there. Very big on branding. Do you have a favorite Beenie Man music video?
All of them are my favorite.
Oh yeah.
But, to be honest with you, I don't have a favorite.
Yeah. My favorite is King of the Dancer, just because of the girl in their ponytail. Yeah man, the girl, like, that was an iconic moment.
Yeah.
Okay. So honestly, here I want to know, you have some time now if I actually go look into the camera, and this is where, as somebody who has studied, has done very well, and now you are gainfully employed, I want you to actually talk to other young people out there who have them talent, want to go get the training, but maybe life just difficult or them not sure if opportunities are there for them. Anything that you have to say to them?
Well, most definitely I would recommend that you try to go to Heart. You see, Heart at this time does not take any fees, based on what I remember.
Yeah.
And if you have a passion, I definitely think that you should pursue it, because my passion from when I was a little guy was to cook.
Yes.
Right? And I went to Heart right after high school, like right after that. So then I went into something that I love.
Yes.
But then in the middle of all of that, you're always going to be diverted to something else. But you must always come back to your passion, and direction is better than speed. Because once you know where you're going, everything will work out after.
That is it. Eloquently, well said. Well said. Tell the people where them can find you, Chef Beans.
All right, so Chef Beans, you can find me on Instagram at ChefInBeans, that's ChefInBeanz.
Yeah.
Right, so I'm on Instagram and I'm also on Facebook. That's all the socials I have right now. But we're working on everything else.
TikTok?
No, we're working on everything else.
Okay.
We can start a vlog and
okay, so it's all in the works.
Right.
That is it. That's what I love. Because say entrepreneurship, and wish you all the best in a Chef Beans. Big up yourself. That's it. Oh gosh, that was such a cool interview. Thank you so much for readers for watching yet another Wednesday social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thanks again for all of the birthday wishes. Make sure you go and book for the Deja special that is going on. Remember to use the promo code Berry10 so you can qualify for the special discount. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We're still on the road to 300,000 subscribers. We're at 299,000. We are this close, so just do the thing so we can get to 300,000 quick and fast. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And for advertising, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time, and that next time going to be on Friday when we'll have another top 3 countdown. Take care until next time. Oh God, you know what tired me? I don't know right now.
The dirty of the berry, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them talk me, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.